I'm Josie Marin, and I play Mia in Need for Speed Most Wanted. Make sure you do all your racing in
Hey yo, first things first, it's time to shake ground in the 8th round. Box battle and break down for the beat and the rhyme tone. Jump in the cyclone, S-C-Y-L-E-S, yes I know. The rap theme backseat, hack red theme, put them up. You pluck the bad seed off the wall, spitting the gorilla tag team. What's up now, duck down, stuck, they can't breathe. You know the routine, the demon effect, please don't step. You wanna feed one of my pet peeves? The more beef, the better. Hey, do your thing. Fresh out the house, got the beat. As I ride